If you are watching this video, it means that the video has been successful and our time has worked. If our many attempts are not successful, we delete them. If they are successful, we upload them to YouTube for you to watch.
Our watches may sometimes lock, may not turn on, may not charge. In this case, the solution may be very simple.
We will repair this fault free of charge without the cost of parts. How? Let's watch together. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. We are trying a different reset method. How many seconds do we need to press and hold the power button on the smartwatch to turn it on? Our channel is a repair channel. If you write the problem of your faulty electronic devices in the comments, I can show you the most affordable solution as soon as possible. If this is not the solution, I am waiting for your brand and model information in the comments for my other step suggestions. Our expert team will answer your questions in a few minutes.
I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends.
As you can see in this video, sometimes we can make our devices run very stable and free with just a small reset.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.